AI isn't just for writing essays. Used right, it can quietly save you real money every month on your bills, your shopping, your groceries, all of it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 practical ways to put AI to work on your wallet, starting today. This works because AI is fantastic at the boring money tasks humans avoid: comparing options, drafting awkward emails, digging through fine print. Those are exactly the tasks where laziness costs us money. 2 ground rules. Always double-check the numbers it gives you and never paste sensitive info into a public AI tool. Number 1, my favorite. Use AI to lower your bills. Most people overpay for internet, phone, and insurance because they dread making the call. Ask AI to write you a polite but firm script to call your provider and ask for a lower rate or retention offer. A 10-minute call with an AI script can save hundreds a year. Number 2, hunt down money leaks. Ask AI to spot the subscriptions people commonly forget they're paying for. Then check your statements. And whenever you're paying for an app, ask AI for free or cheaper alternatives that do the same job. Number 3, let AI do your comparison shopping. Trying to choose between 2 phone plans, insurance options, or the brand name version. Ask AI to compare them side by side in plain English. Does in seconds what would take an hour of tabs. Caution: AI can have outdated prices, so confirm current prices yourself. Number 4, shrink your grocery bill. Food is one of the biggest flexible costs, and waste is where money quietly dies. Ask AI to build a cheap weekly meal plan and grocery list around what's on sale or what's already in your fridge. Eat what you buy only what you'll eat. Number 5, reclaim money you're owed. A wrong charge, a fee you want waived, a confusing statement. People let these slide because writing the letter is a pain. Ask AI to draft a clear dispute or fee waiver request, or to explain a confusing bill line by line. Removes the friction that was costing you money. 2 mistakes. 1, blindly trusting AI's numbers or prices. Verify anything affecting a real purchase. 2, pasting sensitive details into public AI tools. The pattern AI drafts, researches, and compares. You verify and act. Keep it in that lane and it's a genuine money saver. Quick recap on AI tools that save you money. First, number 1, my favorite, use AI to lower your bills. Second, ask AI to spot the subscriptions people commonly forget they're paying for, then check your statements. Third, number 3, let AI do your comparison shopping. Fourth, food is one of the biggest flexible costs, and waste is where money quietly dies. Fifth, a wrong charge, a fee you want waived, a confusing statement. Save this video so you remember it, and subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped. See you next time. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That's how the next one finds you. Next time on Never Taught That, how to get $1,000 free for every baby you have.